today. We're doing a program called STEM Goes Red. This is the American Heart Association's program to really introduce female high school students into STEM careers.
Yeah, that's perfect.
STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. So we know that there's a lack of females in these career paths, and today is all about exposing them to hands-on experiences.
Right chest and one on the left side of the chest. Perfect.
They're able to get hands-on, learn about the field of occupational therapy, learn about simulation and imaging, and today they're learning hands-only CPR, and they're able to suture. So what does it feel like to do stitches and participate in these experiences? They're learning about ultrasound and what that feels like. So just some really hands-on to practice what these experiences feel like.
So once you graduate, there's a bunch of opportunity.
Out of 100 students who are interested in STEM in high school, only 3 out of those 100 will pursue it as a career. It's so important. The girls are so excited. I think they're loving the experiences. They're loving to be hands-on. It's very different from just sitting and hearing about a career, but being able to participate with your hands, to learn hands-only CPR, to practice certain crafts and simulation is really exciting for them. They're going to hear from a panel of individuals who went through these choices when they were in school and see who they might relate to, who they may want to follow and network with to explore more of these careers. Today, our STEM Goes Red program is a fantastic collaboration with the Jacobs Institute and the Jacobs School of Medicine. And we have fantastic sponsors, including Catholic Health, Lindy, Jacobs Institute, and Thermo Fisher. This is our 3rd year participating in the STEM Goes Red program here in Buffalo. We're so excited that it's doubled in size for students, which means there's great interest. So we look forward to continuing and growing this program.